So in today, I want to come up with a bit general topic, which is very helpful for our YouTube viewers and for our online and offline students also. So how to learn new technologies very easily. Okay, maybe I may be the right person to talk about this one because I handle multiple technologies. Do you know Java? Java, I know. Next, Python, I know. Next, blockchain, I know. Okay, because I handle all these batches, friends. Blockchain, I know. I know Django. I know Django REST framework. Django REST framework. Yeah, so like even I know some of the parts of DevOps. Next, I know Linux. Okay, like almost there are several technologies I taught in the last 15 years around. Okay, 2002 to 2020, last 18 years, 18 years. Even manual testing, manual testing, I know. Next, and after that, manual testing, selenium, I handle selenium sessions. Next, even before starting this Java classes or these software courses, I was the trainer for gate theory of computation. There is one subject is there, theory of computation, theory of automata. Okay, like there was one subject is there in the gate. So I was the trainer for that. So do you know, so it is almost multiple areas I worked. So one another WebLogic admin. My role whenever I worked in IBM, my role was WebLogic admin. Okay, like so even some sort of WebSphere also, because related only some sort of WebSphere also. I have awareness, right? So do you know all multiple technologies? So I'm handling. So how you are handling, sir? How you are learning? How you are learning? How you are handling? Like so, this is a very common doubt from majority of the students. Next, sir, I want to learn new technology. Can you please guide some? Can you please provide guidelines about these concepts? Like some people may ask. Okay, like so. Do you know? First thing, what you people should aware, learning anything, learning anything is very easy. Remember a bit carefully this point. Better to keep in your mind very strongly. Learning anything is very easy, friends. So some people are feeling, sir, it is a very difficult, it's a very complex, wow, it is a very horrible. Sorry, sir, I can't handle. Okay, sorry, I can't explore these new things, new technologies or new areas. Like there are several people having this type of rigidness is there. First, believe me, learning anything is very easy, friends. What is the reason for that? Okay, the reason is let me strict to okay, let me strict to technologies. Okay, what is the reason for that? So before that, do you know, sir, you can ask me anything, sir. Anything you can ask me, sir. Can you please handle? Okay, can you please handle so some XYZ technology, because it is booming like anything in the real time, sir. Can you please handle? So what is about your answer from my what's my answer? What your expected answer from my side? You can ask anything. You can ask anything, I can handle. Okay, you can you can ask anything, sir. Anything I can handle. I can handle. I'm sure I can handle. Okay, so I'm sure in the most beautiful way I can handle, sir. That is also very important. Guarantee, I'm telling. So in the most beautiful way I can handle. You can ask anything, sir. Do you want me to handle Chinese language? Do you want me to teach Chinese language? Yes, I'm ready to do that. Do you want me explain mathematics, statistics for data science? Yes, I can do that. Sir, can you please teach data science classes? Yes, why not? Give just 1 or 2 days. Tomorrow I announce the new batch and then I will start. Are how I'm telling, I can handle anything, sir. You can ask me to handle Greek and Latin. Definitely I can handle. Definitely I can handle. I'm ready to handle. No problem at all. Tomorrow onwards, can you please announce the batch? Okay. Sometimes my my admin people are going to get. There may be my admin people are going to get surprise. Sir, we require data science. Data science in Durga's of data science is not good. Can you please handle like yeah, why not, why not, I can handle. So Linux, sir, Linux faculty, so currently not there, he's not taking the sessions. Can you please handle Linux classes? Why not? Please announce the batch. Okay, you can ask me any technology, anything, irrespective, any subject, general subject or anything, sir. Definitely I can handle. Yes, I can handle in the most beautiful way. I have full confidence. Okay, so why, how you are getting that confidence, right? I'm believing only one statement. I'm believing only one statement. Okay, this is statement. Remember this a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, what is this one, sir? Learning anything very very easy. Just I'm believing that, I'm believing that. That's why I'm believing that. That's why I can use the word, I can handle anything. Sir, how, sir? How, sir? Can you please tell how it is going to be that? Very simple, sir. Think a bit carefully. We are the human being. We are the human being. Next, sir, we want to learn technology. We want to learn technology, any technology, any technology. You can consider anything you want to learn, sir. Human being mind, thought process, mind power is mind power is infinite. Remember this one. Remember this one. Big scientists only, they didn't use full of their mind power. They used the brain. They didn't use full of their brain. Okay, some in some articles you may see 10% only that person used, 20% only that person used. He didn't use his mind completely, like so mind power is infinite. Such a type of powerful mind we have, human beings, right? But what about this technology? Do you know, I'm always going to blame technology like anything, sir. I'm always going to blame the technology like anything, because the reason is array, technology is brainless, brainless. So brainless with finite behavior. Okay, finite behavior is there for our technology. Okay, remember that. So the behavior of the technology, the behavior of the technology is always finite. It is not infinite, sir. It is not infinite. Next, moreover, it is not having the brain. Okay, it is not having the brainless technology. Okay, like that's why so whenever if there is anything is there technology or something like my feeling is always, oh, it is one stupid brainless technology. That feeling definitely I have in my mind. Friends, are you getting my point? Respond, because every technology is always going to work. So every technology will work. Every technology will work based on some predefined rules. Remember this one. Based on some predefined rules, that the number of predefined rules, the number of predefined rules are always fixed. Correct or not? Are you going to believe this statement? Yes. Okay, suppose here I'm writing a small Python program. Okay, just I'm trying to write a small Python program to generate. So here just very small thing I'm trying to take, sir. So now observe, print of hello I'm taking, sir. Print of hello I'm taking. So if I execute this one in the Python third version, Python 3, immediately Python is going to give left and right. Okay, what is the reason? What is the reason for that? You know already. Yes, immediately missing parenthesis, call to print. If I execute this code, I'm getting this error. If I execute this code, I'm getting this error, sir. If you execute this code in your system, are you going to get the same error? Hey, respond. Are you going to get the same error or not? No, no. If you are executing this line in your system, are you going to get the same error or not? Yes. So the error, the behavior of this Python is not varied from system to system, not varied from country to country. Everywhere the behavior is always fixed. You remember this one? Array, wherever print statement, parentheses are not there. Parentheses are not there. Parentheses are mandatory. Compulsory it should be required. Okay, like it is going to tell this is the one rule which is configured inside Python. That's why if you are not using parentheses, immediately we are getting this error. Like for any technology, for any programming language, predefined rules are there. Okay, just observe. Every technology, sir, will work based on some predefined rules. The number of predefined rules are always fixed. So maybe 10 is there, or maybe 100 is there, maybe 1,000 is there, or maybe 10,000 is there, or 1 lakh or 10 lakh. The person who aware these predefined rules, that person is the expert in that area. Remember? So it is not abnormal behavior. It is always expected behavior. Expected behavior learning is always very easy, friend. Correct or not? Respond. Okay, first in your mind, the feeling of the first in your mind, the feeling of difficulty, complex, I can't learn, such type of words, better to remove from your mind. So I can handle anything you ask me. You can ask me Greek and Latin, you can ask me any language, anything, sir. So now how I can tell, sir, this is because I'm feeling personally. This is the thing. Learning anything is very, very easy. Okay. Very recently, so I asked, I want to start one hospital. Okay, maybe very soon we are going to start hospital. Durga hospital is going to come, sir. Okay, like so I want to. Then immediately, first thing what I checked is it possible to study? Is it possible to study MBBS or MD now? For me, like first I checked this one. Okay, is it possible? Is it possible or not? Okay, I want to do this. I want to do this. Array, what there inside? Is it a God created courses? No, the book which contain some predefined points of what there inside. Array, if I can do that, then automatically I will become doctor. Then there is a big, if some doctor is missing, I will be there, okay, to provide support. If some faculty is missing, in Durga Sapta, then I will be there to provide support. Why don't you do? Like I thought such type of feeling also in my mind. Wow. Observe my confidence level. Observe my patience level. Have you observed, right? Okay, that thing you have to believe. That thing you have to believe. So you should confident on yourself. Then automatically you can do anything, sir. Okay, so learning anything is very, very easy. You can ask anything, I can handle. That confidence must be there. Okay, so that rigidness you have to remove. Next, sir. Okay, now we are feeling comfortable. Okay, we can handle anything, sir. We can learn anything. We are getting that feeling. But can you please show the approach what you are using? Can you please show the approach what you are always using to learn the new things, sir? You are always going to ask. Very simple. There are no shortcuts for anything, sir. Okay, always front door only. We should not use back doors. Okay, remember, always use front door. There are no shortcuts to learn anything. There is a fixed process is there to learn. Okay, but only thing is the people who are trying for shortcuts, those people are going to fail. Okay, remember this, those people are going to fail. So you have to use a standard approach only. Don't try to use the shortcuts everywhere. Okay, anywhere. Now what it means, what it means, sir? Very simple. Okay, best example for you people. Have you ever visited, suppose assume that currently you are in Hyderabad. Okay, you came from very rural place. Assume that from Rajasthan somewhere. Rajasthan somewhere you came from very rural place. Okay, from Rajasthan. Okay, to do software job in Hyderabad. Assume that, sir. Do you know, or otherwise need not be these places, right? Okay, any place you can use, but concept you have to get. That's about my point. First time you require to travel to Hyderabad, or otherwise you are going to ask me, can you please travel to Bangalore? Assume that, sir. Okay, you are asking me, can you please travel to Bangalore? I will ask my admin, Are, can you please go to Bangalore? And in the Bangalore, can you please meet so and so person? Can you please meet so and so person? So and so person. He will provide some material. Can you? He will provide some material. Can you please bring bring that material? Like I asked my admin person. Then immediately my admin person is going to have n number of doubts in his mind. Assume that. So first doubt, how to go to Bangalore, I don't know, because I never visited. Okay, how to go to Bangalore? How to go to Bangalore? Okay, this is the bigger doubt first. Next, in Bangalore, where I have to get on, where I have to get down, and so where this person is locating, where this person is locating, I don't know. I don't know. So I don't know anything in the Bangalore. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything in the Bangalore. Anything in Bangalore. Okay, like I don't know anything in Bangalore. So my sir told that he's available at Marthali. Okay, he's available at Marthali. Okay, like Marthali, he's available at Marthali. I don't know anything in Bangalore. How to reach this Marthali? Next, how to identify this person? Like he is having a number of doubts. Then immediately, okay, I don't want to talk anything to the admin. Array, can you please go to Bangalore? Can you please meet so and so person who is locating in this address? Please bring whatever material is going to provide. I told. Then, so n number of problems he is going to face. Okay, so how to go to the Bangalore? Bus, train, flight, which is the recommended? Okay, what are various available trains are there, or available buses are there? And if it is a bus or train or flight, where I have to get down? From that, how I have to reach the Martali? Next, and after that, where is the this address, how to find? A number of doubts are there. Then automatically this person with the dare, okay, he reached by flight or by bus or by train, he reached Bangalore. Okay, he inquired, Array, I want to go to the Bangalore. Can you please guide? N number of people already visited Bangalore. They are going to guide. Array, from Hyderabad to Bangalore, these are the trains are available, or this is the bus. These are the flights are available. Trains are available. Like so. Next, if I catch the bus, where I have to get down? I have to get down at Majestic. From the Majestic, okay, how to reach Martali? Okay, like next in the Martali, how to find address? Like this person with his knowledge, with his surrounding people, he's going to get some idea. Okay, at last he catches the bus and get down in Bangalore Majestic or somewhere in the bus stop is there. He get down there. Next, he don't know anything to reach Martali. Then just he saw surrounding people. Sir, I want to go to Martali. Can you please guide, like array so and so bus number? Can you please stand there? That bus is going to bring you to the Martali, like someone guide. Then immediately I catch that bus. I get down at Martali. Okay, in the Martali, then I asked, sir, Dental College Road. Anyone, can you please say where? Please guide, sir. Where is the Dental College Road? So this is called Dental College Road, like someone guided. Then immediately, so I went inside. I mean, my admin person entered into the Dental College Road. Sir, this address, can you please let me know? Like he asked surrounding people. Then everyone, so this is so and so, so and so. Like at last, this person identified. In the Bangalore, he reached Bangalore at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. a.m. But so he identified the address almost by 2 p.m. he reached the required address. Yes, common, because he is doing all these activities are first time. Correct, right? I respond. He's doing all these activities are first time. It's a very common, very common. You should not feel something like taking too much time. Array, taking too much time. Only one time, first time. Next, so successfully, this person again reached Majestic, again reached Hyderabad bus, and came to the Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, you know everything. Then he approached me, sir. This is the book. Like he gave that. Okay, thanks. Like next, after 1 week or in the next month, I asked this person again, Array, can you please go to Bangalore? Can you please go to Bangalore? From the same person, can you please bring another book? Like I asked. Now take a bit very special care. First time he had n number of doubts in his mind, n number of problems he faced. But the second time Is this person is going to face these many problems? No, no, never. He won't face those many earlier 100% problems, because everything is the new. 100% problems, everything is the new. But this time, minimum 70% of problems by default will be gone. Only 30% problems he may face. Okay, he may face, but very easily, sir, is the same Martali, same dental college road, same address? Yes, man. Okay, like you know how to which bus and how you can reach Martali, where is that address, without asking any person. This person is in a position to go. Second time, only 30% problems only he faced, because he didn't remember some places like. But third time I asked, third time he just faced 10% of the problems only. Okay, fourth time I asked, he didn't take the help of any person directly. He went and then he bring the required material for us. Have you observed, right? Okay, respond. Are you in the position to understand? If you are doing any activity first time, okay, n number of problems are there. Okay, you have to set your mind. I'm doing first time, definitely a number of problems are there. It is a very common. Once I complete the cycle, next time onwards it will become very easy. That the feeling you have to feed in your mind, because this activity you require to do n number of times in your life. That's why, so what you require to do is, if you are facing any difficulty first time, these problems are very common. Like you have to think. If you do the same activity second time, third time, fourth time, yeah, how beautiful, you will become expert in that area. Correct, right? Practice makes man perfect. Have you ever heard about that? Practice makes man perfect. Somewhere you may heard. Doing the same activity multiple times, automatically you will become expert in that area. Remember. Okay, like then immediately you may ask, sir, how this Bangalore example related to our technology? Okay, like you may ask, how our Bangalore example is the related to our technology. Okay, like what approach I'm following is, now observe. I want to explain this key point, right? Suppose tomorrow you are going to ask me, sir, can you please, I want to handle, I want to handle some data science course. Sorry, I don't know about this one. I want to handle data science course. First, what I will do is, okay, in the data science, I don't know anything about data science. So, do you know, in my new classes, if any person attended my new batch first time, usual word, array, I don't know anything about this, but believe me, definitely I'm going to fulfill your requirement. Definitely I will fulfill your requirement. If you are going to ask me how many topics you are going to cover, sorry, I don't know what topics are there in this technology, but believe me, at the end, when compared with the remaining, I will handle very, very neatly. Have you ever heard about these type of statements in my first classes anywhere? If you are getting the chance to attend my new technology first session, in my first class itself, I'm always going to use this word. So day before yesterday we started Python new features. One student asked, sir, what topics you are going to cover? Can you please provide content? Can you please provide content? One person asked. One person asked. Simple answer I told, sorry, I don't know which contents are there. 10 or 15 days every day, one or two new features I'm going to cover, until completing all the available features. As of now, I don't know anything. Please believe me. Yes, believe. Yeah, correct. I don't know anything about that. So first day I learned the walrus operator, I handle. Next tomorrow I'm going to handle, okay, positional only arguments. Yes, I know that, I will explain. Next day after tomorrow, I'm going to explain f string support, I will explain. That's all. Which topics are there, I don't know really. That day I will study and then I will handle the session. Remember that, believe me, sir. Yeah, believe me, nothing. So next up, you people, yeah, you people may ask the doubt. Okay, sir, first time fear in class. Yes, especially the faculty members, these people are always having this type of doubt. First time, sir, you don't know anything, how you can handle, sir? If the student is asking about the doubt about second class, third class, fourth class, how you can handle, sir? Like are I'm in the first class. If the student is asking about a doubt related to the second or third or end topic, boss, as of now, okay, I know only this. Better to learn Whenever the time comes to that, I will explain in detail. Don't worry at all. I can tell. So, or if he's asking any new thing, I didn't study. What I will tell is, Array, as of now, no idea about this. Please give 1 day time. By tomorrow, I will clarify your doubt in most beautiful way. This is that person is going to hang me? Can you please confirm? Is that person is going to hang me if I'm not answering? No. Array, no. He's asking the doubt. Then I will do some work and some groundwork. And tomorrow I will clarify. What is the why I have to fear? Why I have to fear about students? Getting my point, right? Array, I'm not doing any fraud. I'm not doing any fraud. I told frankly, first time I'm handling, first time I'm handling. Okay. So if you're not getting any point, please let me know. I will do some work and then I will explain in your understandable way. Don't worry at all. They are not going to, they are not going to hang me. They are not going to blame me. Why I have to worry? Have you observed? Okay. So please take a bit very special care what approach I'm using. Okay. Now data. Here, this doubt I hope clarified. Who is asking this doubt? Ramnarayan. Is it clarified, right? First time fear in the class. Yeah, good. I'm not having any such type of fear because I'm telling frankly, first time I'm handling. So this is the point I know. If I don't know this point, okay, I don't know about your asked point. By tomorrow I will explain. Don't worry at all. Okay, well, simple logic. They are not going to blame me. They are not going to hang. I didn't give the build up like I'm expert in that area. First time only I'm handling. I told already, right? What is the problem with that? Next. So very important, sir. In the data science, I want to handle data science. What I have to do, sir? Okay, very, very simple. Do, do friendship. Do friendship with the that technology. With that technology. Okay, like so do friendship with the technology. What I will do here. So 1 or 2 days, okay, keep on listening YouTube videos, plus refer Google, or if any courses are there in other websites, learning websites, if any courses are there on this, so just 2 or 3 days, keep on. I will keep on listening, keep on listening 2 or 3 days, daily some 3 to 4 hours I will spend. Okay, so keep on listening without any expectation is a very important. Very important. Though the biggest problem with the people is, if they are listening 10 minutes video, I have to get everything. I have to get everything. So, Array, he's going to spend a 10 minutes. He want to get everything in the 10 minutes. Too much, too much. Okay. Keep on listening without any expectation. Yeah, this line is a very important, sir. What I will do, whether I am understanding or not understanding, because first time I don't know anything about data science. Why I have to worry? Why I have to worry? Keep on listening. Keep on listening. If any new words, the terminology, you are going to familiar familiar with the terminology. Okay, you are going to familiar with the terminology is the very important, sir. Terminology. Okay, yes, this is so. Okay, in the data science, oh, which things are there I have to learn? At least the topic headings I'm going to get by listening 3 to 4 days. Okay, 3 to 4 days. Okay, by listening 3 to 4 days, every day some 3 to 4 hours. Have you observed? Now I'm not expecting anything. Without any expectation, just I'm keep on listening the videos, like so that after 1 week, so what there, okay, what terminology is there in that technology, I can aware. What terminology is there in that technology, I aware, sir. Okay, like do you know, in some classes, if a complete new thing is there for the students, then what I will tell is, Array, please listen these words. Driver, okay, driver, manager, next statement, Okay, result set. Okay, like array, can you please read these words? First driver, second one driver manager, third one statement, result set. Don't think about that. Just aware these words. That's all. Aware this word. Array, just only word spellings. Oh, this word is there in our JDBC. What is the first word? Driver. Second word, driver manager. Third one, statement. Fourth one, results. Don't ask anything about what is driver, what is driver manager. Don't ask anything. Just aware these words are there in our JDBC. First, I will tell to the students, array, better to aware the basic terminology what there inside without knowing its meaning. Remember carefully, right? Have you observed? After 1 week, I will come to know boss in data science. So on so things are there. Regression is there. Some I don't know anything. So I have this terminology is there. X, Y, Z terminology is there in that. Okay. Well, now I got some basic idea about the technology. Respond. I got some basic idea about the technology. Okay, terminology at least. Now, first, which term I have to familiar? X term I have to familiar. Okay, X term I require to familiar. What I will take is, okay, open Google. Okay, open Google, and what is X term? Okay, something like that. Okay, don't worry, X term I'm keeping just whatever the relevant term. Okay, like I will type. If I will type, yes, Abjan, Python. Okay, just Python, new features. Okay, just I'm taking, sir. I don't know which features are there. Oh, n number of links are there, sir. N number of links are there. So let me click first link, Python 3.9. Python 3.9 version came. Oh, Python 3.9. What's new in Python? What's new in Python 3.7? What's new in Python 3.9? Okay, some improved module, something like that. So I'm not getting that much clearly because there are a number of links are there. Leave that. Leave this link. Don't worry. Okay, go to the second. What's new? Okay, go to the cool new features in the Python 3.7. Real Python, something is there. Okay, just observe that. Oh, okay, table of the breakpoint built in, data classes, customization, typing enhancements are there. Okay, like, oh, just copy these things. Okay, now just copy these things. Oh, okay, these words are there. Okay, like data classes, typing enhancements is there. Other, okay, async and await keywords are there, something like, oh, async and await keywords came in the 3.7 version. Like I'm getting the finish. What is async? Open Google again. Open Google again. Okay, what is async? What is async? Async, okay, something like async in Python. Async in Python. Okay, like now n number of things by default is going to come. Async IO in Python. Okay, coroutine tasks in Python. Something like open the link and spend some time. Whenever you open the link, if you are spending some time, again you may not get much clearly. Okay, from this you are going to get some more specific terminology. Again, if you are going to refer second link, third link, fourth link, then you will come to know, yes, complete picture. Remember that, sir, if I open first link, I didn't get anything. I didn't get anything. I didn't get anything, sir, anything. Don't worry, it's a very common, because you don't know anything. Then how you are expecting from the first link only everything? Okay, at least the basic words you are getting. Now open second link. Open second link. Already you spend some time with this, right? Already you spend some time with this. Now the second link, a bit, so some 5% better understanding will be there. Better understanding will be there, sir. Okay, better understanding is there. Next, if you refer third link, third link, then automatically some 25% understanding will be there. Okay, if you are spending as much time with that subject, you will become expert in that area. Remember, are you getting right? No shortcut, no shortcut. Until getting perfection, you have to keep on spending that time. Okay, so first time you may get the basic terminology. Second time you may get what is the meaning of some words. Third time you may get the meaning of so some more words like so all predefined rules related to the technology until getting perfection. Keep on spending time, then obviously you will become expert in that area. Have you observed the amount of time, the time, how much you are going to spend? Based on that, your subject perfection by default will be there. Clear, right? You don't know the where most of the people are facing the problem. The bigger problem is bigger expectations. Bigger expectations is the biggest problem for most of the people, sir. Okay, if they are spending 10 minutes time, 10 minutes time, I have to get everything. I have to get everything. This is the bigger thing. If I'm going to spend 10 minutes time, I have to get everything. Remove your expectations from your mind. Okay, pleasant. But definitely you are going to spend some time. Definitely you are learning something. You have to identify. So until before 10 minutes, I don't know anything. But in this 10 minutes, at least the terminology I got. Good terminology I got. Next, now I will take first term. I will perform postmortem on that first term. Once first term completed, then I will go to the next term. Then I will go to the third term. Next, I will go to the fourth term. Like that feeling, that approach you require to use. Are you getting my approach? What I'm always using? Okay. Do you know sometimes whether you believe me or not? Okay. So morning at 7 o'clock, I will go to the park. Okay, by keeping my mobile and then laptop. Okay, some books, some material printed copies I will take, and I will go to the park. Next evening 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I will come back from the park. Throughout the day, what I will do is just do friendship with the that new technology. Doing friendship, I have to ask, I have to keep on asking, Array, what is the meaning of this? Can you please tell me? Like that new, if I do friendship, like do you know sometimes okay, I will go to some new place, I will book a room in the hotel. I will book room in the hotel, in the hotel. Assume that, sir. In the hotel, I will book the room. Next, I will intimate in my house and in my office for the next 3 days. Don't disturb me, I'm in very urgent work. Like so, whatever laptop is there, mobile is there, net connectivity is there, some important documents are there. 3 days without touching rest of the society. Okay, rest I don't know anything. The next 3 days, my target is do friendship with that subject. Do friendship with that subject. Okay, with that subject. Now can you please expect after 3 days automatically am I going to get a basic idea in that subject or not? Yes, friends. Once I got basic idea, then take the first chapter. Now again spend some 2 or 3 days on the first chapter again in this style, then I will become experts. Okay, so the only thing is you have to spend more time. You have to do friendship. You have to love that subject. Then obviously you will become experts. Next, believe me, sir, Google, YouTube, learning websites. Now, a number of learning ways are there. Okay, anything you can learn very easily because for everything experts guidance are available. Believe me, sir. So that's why you can ask anything. You can ask anything. Okay, you can. So here my approach here. So what the key things, sir? What key things are going to make you success? Here, first thing, my hard work. First thing, not hard work. First thing, my confidence. Remember, I can learn this technology. I'm sure I will become expert in that technology. That confidence is already there in my mind. Remember that. That confidence already there in my mind. Okay, first thing. Next, second thing, sir, my hard work. How much time I'm going to spend? Next, even I didn't get anything. What my feeling is, mind feeling is, I didn't get anything. It is a very common because first time I'm learning. How I can expect something? First time I'm learning, how I can expect something. Okay, didn't get anything is the very common, but still you have to continue, still you have to continue like so my patience level, patience, have you observed, right? My patience level. Okay, so this is all these things makes me to learn any technology very easily. Are you in the position to understand? Hey, respond. Getting the point, right? Okay. So, sir, I'm doing currently job. I can't spend much time. Sorry, man. So, if you want to get something, you have to miss something. Okay. Take some day. Saturday, Sunday is there. Leave. Better to take the leave on Monday also. 3 days. Do friendship with that subject. Automatically, you will expert. Okay, like in the Google, YouTube, like social learning websites everywhere. So n number of things are there, you can learn anything, sir. If you open, believe Google, Google will provide everything. Believe Google, sir. Really believe Google. Google is going to provide anything. You can just type anything. So lakhs of links are there for you to help. Here just observe that async in Python, I'm asking async in Python, how many links, how many results came? Anyone, can you please count? How many? 1 crore 56 lakhs results came. 1 crore 56 lakhs. Observe carefully. 1 crore 56 lakhs results are there. Yeah. You can spend your total lifetime only this async keyword. Okay, if you can spend that much time, okay, if you are spending that much time, okay, you can spend your total time only on async keyword. Then you can tell, hey, Python people, async, these are the problems are there. Instead of async, I created my own desync. Better to use that. That position also you are going to be reached if you spend time. Okay, so anything, sir, anything by default Google is there. Believe me, believe Google, believe YouTube, believe social learning sites. You will become experts any area. Okay, because any technology the very easy. Do friendship without expectations. So 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, automatically you will become expert in that area. Okay, for Python, Durga sir is there. Tomorrow in the company, some new technology you require to work. So some new technology you require to work, XYZ technology you require to work. Okay, that XYZ technology, so training may not be available. You have to dig, you have to learn on your own, and you have to work. Remember that. Okay, sir, I don't know that technology. Sorry, the company people are not going to listen. You should be in the position to adapt any technology very easily. That person only forever will be there in the software. If you are rigid, sorry sir, I don't know, even no one is there to guide me in that area. Okay, this person is not suitable for IT. Can you please send out? Can you please throw out from the IT, like maybe a chance. Clear, right? Okay, now someone is asking about this doubt, sir. How you are going in that much deep level when I start learning new things? Example, Spring Framework, I learned basics, but I can't able to go much details like each and every loophole like you are teaching. Always, yeah. Only thing is, if you go to Bangalore, if you go to Bangalore, assume that only one time, only one time. If you go to the Bangalore second time, two times, two times. Okay. If you go to the Bangalore 10 times, if you go to the Bangalore 10 times, have you observed who is which person is more having more exposure about Bangalore? First person or second person or third person? Okay, third person, same. You are going to spend 1 hour to know, 1 hour to know basics, to know the basics. If you are going to spend another 1 hour, another 1 hour, another 1 hour, okay, another 1 hour to know some more extra points, to know some more extra points, extra points. If you are going to spend another 1 hour, two more, some more extra points, like how much time you are going to spend, that much perfection you are going to get. Clear, right? Okay, anything you can learn very easily, friends. Believe me, that point you should not miss. So next, sir, I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn, but I didn't get. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Who told you you have to get everything in your first time, first snap? Yes, sir. My question is how you learned deeply in any technology. Okay, again I told. Again, need the same answer. Okay, 1 hour to know the basics. Is there any still extra points? Am I missing? I will refer some 20 or 30 links from the Google. Okay, one link is going to tell one extra point. Another link is going to tell another extra point. One link is going to, until getting, so new points, keep on referring, keep on spend some more extra time. Then in addition to basics, you are going to learn some more extra things. Getting the point? Yeah, Narendra. That's it. So please make sure these are three things are very, very important. You have to confident. You should be very confident. Yes, I learn this technology very easily. Yes, believe me, sir, anything you can learn. The only thing is more patience level, more hard work. Huh? So don't expect everything. I told right, bigger mistake. Sir, they are going to spend 1 hour. It's a very common, sir. 1 hour, 1 hour. They are going. Some people are going to spend 10 minutes. Array, I this Sunday I referred 1 hour spring. In the 1 hour spring, I didn't get anything. Spring is not that much easy. Spring is not that much easy. Easy. Like, have you heard this type of feeling? Array, I spent 3 hours, I spent 3 hours on that, but I didn't get anything, that subject is the worst subject, Okay, I didn't more that easily we can't learn that subject. Wow, these type of feelings, the people, array, the people who created Spring, they worked years of time. They worked years of time to create that new technology. Okay, now you are telling within 1 hour you want to learn. How stupidity in your thoughts. Getting right? So that's why don't expect anything easily, friends. You have to work. You require to work. Then only you can succeed. Okay, please make sure these points are very, very important. Confidence, hard work, patience level. Okay, you are not getting anything, sir. You didn't get anything. What about your feeling mindset? You didn't get anything after spending 3 hours of time. 3 hours of time. What about your feeling? Now what normal person feeling? You didn't get anything after spending 3 hours time. Okay, what is the normal person feeling? Now immediately normal person is going to feel that, oh, it is a very difficult, we can't learn that much easily. Okay, so that in his lifetime he's always going to feeling that that subject is always difficult. If really, if it is required to work, he's getting shivering and heart attack. Okay, like this type of problem. But believe me, sir, 3 hours time you didn't learn anything. You didn't learn anything means, no, strictly speaking, you learn at least the basic terminology in that, but you didn't learn completely. You have to feel, oh, spending 3 hours may not enough. You require to spend another 3 hours. You require to spend another 3 hours, 3 more hours, like until getting completeness you have to spend. So your 3 hours is not enough to learn. That is the feeling you have to get, not the feeling of difficulty. Oh, to learn this one 3 hours is not enough. Okay, next, tomorrow also I will spend another 3 hours. Okay, like you should, your mindset is like that, then obviously you are going to succeed. But somebody learned very, very, very fast. That is your personal feeling. That is your personal feeling. Nothing. That is your personal feeling. Beyond that, nothing. Yeah. Next, one more thing. One more. So this is also one common doubt for most of the people. Sir, Google search gives vast topics say in Python. Initially, I don't know what topics come first and what topics next. My question is, how did you come up with the beautiful syllabus? Yeah, beautiful thing. What I will do is, array. So I want to teach Python. I want to teach Python. Is there any courses are available in okay, in the YouTube? Is there any playlist is available in the YouTube? Is there any playlist, any playlist is available, like is there any playlist is available or not, or otherwise in Udemy or plural site? Okay, in some sites Python related courses are there or not? Yeah. What is the syllabus in this playlist? Playlist 1, what is the syllabus? In the playlist 2, what is the syllabus? What things, what topics he covered? What topics he covered? Next, and after that, in the, okay, just in the Udemy plural site or Udemy, what is the playlist? What is the syllabus he covered? Like I will collect all these syllabuses. do you know do you know sometimes I prepared a book of only syllabus. I prepared a book of only syllabus. Okay, YouTube link and the corresponding topics. Next YouTube link and the corresponding topics. Array, most of the people are covering which topics? Okay, the first, this person is covering 24 topics. Okay, this person is covering, okay, some 26 topics. In that some 10 new topics are there. So what common topics everyone is covering? Oh, these things are compulsory required. Better to get perfection in that area. Have you observed, right? Subhashini, you don't know anything about the technology, but how I'm framing my syllabus. Yes, observe that. Okay, keep on spending the time until covering all these people content. Now my content is super duper topmost content. Eh? Have you observed? Yeah, that's the technique you require to apply. So to learn anything, nothing is required. Nothing is required. Okay, Google, YouTube, all these things are there. You can ask me anything, I will handle. Now you can ask any question, I will show the way. Okay, clear for you? Is your doubt got clarified? Still having any doubts? How to learn? How to learn new technology very easily? So any technology you can learn very easily. Remember that, because these technologies are brainless, stupid technologies. Okay, confidence, more time, more patience level, how much you are going to spend? Okay, based on that, the perfection in the subject by default will be there. That's it. So in your lifetime, you can learn any technology very easily, right? Yes or no? Are you? Hmm? If you are not getting anything, your mindset should be, if you are not getting anything, your mindset should be, first time, it is a very common, you have to spend some more time. Sorry, 3 hours I spent. I didn't get anything. Don't leave that. So means 3 hours time is not enough to learn. Tomorrow, another 3 hours I'm going to spend. Another 3 hours I'm going to spend. Okay, I will see its end. Day after tomorrow, another 3 hours I will spend. Okay, like you have to spend more time until getting until getting complete familiarity, right? Yeah, that's it. Thank you, sir. Thanks for attending or watching this video. Whatever your thoughts are there, either plus or minus, positive or negative, better to keep in the comments. Okay, whatever your thoughts, either positive or negative, nothing will be there. Can you please share your thoughts also? It is helpful for the remaining viewers. Okay, thanks for, yeah, if you have the question you can ask me. Subhashini. The 2 points didn't tell. What those 2 points? Yeah. What is that? 1 minute. 1 minute. Nagi is asking, sir, 2 points you didn't tell. What is regarding interview? Yeah. Nag. Yeah. Subhashini. Here. Nag. Second point. What is the second point? Nag. Second one in our topics. Second one in our topics. What it means? I didn't get you. Oh, that virus. Yeah, that is the separate video I will take. Don't worry. Yeah. Good. Next, how to know current trending technologies? Yeah. Now I hope the people who viewed this video or who are listening this video, you can handle. How to know current trending technology? What is the solution for this? Yeah. What is the? What? Open the Google. Open the YouTube. Current trending technologies in 2020. Okay, first person is going to tell 4 points. Second person is going to tell 5 points. Third person is going to tell 6 points. By listening, by spending some 2 to 3 hours time, you are the experts to guide what are the current trending technologies. Getting current trending technologies, you will become expert. Yeah. Next, yes, who asked this question? I hope got the answer. Next, what about interview? Okay, how do you rate yourself in the Python or Java? Like, yes, I know in Python. Okay, I know in Python something like you can keep out of 10. Out of 10, sir, 9. I'm feeling so 9. I'm feeling whatever. No, I know in Python. I have full confidence. If tomorrow anything I require to learn, tomorrow anything I require to learn, anything I require to work, I will explore and I can do that. So here they never going to feel, sir, 8 or 9 or 10. No problem at all. You can keep 10. Whatever I know in Python, I'm very confident. Tomorrow, if any new thing is required to work on the project, I will explore, I will work on that. So they are always going to check not your number, they are going to check your confidence level. Subhashini, getting the point? Yeah. Next. Next, one more thing, Vidya, she is asking, sir, but in IT industry, the people require everything. The candidate should know. It's like you should know whole IT department. I experienced in the interview as well. Nothing. Here, one small thing you people should aware. To get the job, everything is required. Everything is required. To get the job, everything is required. But to do the job, nothing is required. Do you know, especially IT people, you should remember, to get the job everything is required. To do the job nothing is required. Yeah, yes. This saying, yeah, it is. Yes, it's a real. Okay, in the interview room they are going to test your knowledge like anything. Okay, so in the interview you have to project yourself. Whatever I know, I'm very confident. Tomorrow if I require to learn any new thing, if I require to work on any new area, I will explore, I will do that. It is not a big problem. Getting? Are you in the position to understand? Okay, like you have to show your confidence level, sir. These areas I'm very perfect. These areas I'm very perfect. You can ask anything, I can clarify. So tomorrow if some XYZ technology, I will explore and I will work on that. That confidence level you have to show. So in the interview room is the very important. Next, to do the job nothing is required. I hope once you got the job, once you are working in the real time project, you will get that feeling definitely. Don't worry. Ask the people who are working in the companies on real time projects. So just only 1 or 2 months is the new, and after that routine job, labor kind of job, routine labor kind of job will be there. If any person is telling, no, oh, everyday challenge, we require to spend nights of time in the company, just believe me, that person is giving build up kind of thing in front of you by considering you as innocent person. Okay, 10th class knowledge is more enough to do software job. Nothing is there. You may get the feeling, are to do this job, BTech, MTech, MCA, such type of qualification is required. Like that feeling you are going to get a number of times while working in the company. Believe me, that's why, do you know, in Amirpet, so sometimes old students are making a phone call. Sir, I want to change the company. I did last 4 years. I'm in TCS, sir. Assume that any some XYZ company, need not be TCS. Sir, I want to change the company. I want to change the company. So I want to attend sessions. I want to attend the sessions. When so and so new batch is going to start? When so and so new batch is going to start, they are asking. When they are asking about the new batch, whenever they are trying to change the company, because in the interview they may ask these are things, questions. Once the interview completed, once they got the job, until next 4 to 5 years you won't see Amirpet again. Getting? So to get the job, everything is required. To do the job, nothing is required, believe me, friends. Really, 2 to 3 months. So all learning things by default will be completed in the project. Next, after 3 months, everything is the routine job. Okay, especially if you are working on maintenance projects. Wow, too worst. Yeah, clear, right? So that's all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Okay. So if you are having positive or negative, please add in the comment section. Whatever your personal feelings, it is helpful for remaining people also. Okay. Thanks again.